Hey everyone, so today I'll be doing a March setup and March plan with me for the first week of March. So I already sketched in the title page, the calendar, and then the week 2 of March. So all I do is gonna use my pens and markers to draw in those lines. So I decided to take out the habit tracker and then the budget or expense tracker and move it to my Filofax and KK planners. So I'm using a black Tombow dual brush pen. I'm using the fine tip one to draw in the M for March. So this spread is going to be mostly just black, white, and gray. I'm trying to keep my bullet journal more minimal and then focus on most of this planning in my other planners. So now using the other side of the black brush pen, I'm going to be coloring in the M. So now back to the fine tip point of the brush pen, I'll be drawing in these rectangle lines and I'm going to leave them as it is. So now I'm just going to erase all the lines that I sketched in earlier, and then using a gray brush pen, you can choose any color you guys want. The gray pen is for the drop shadows behind the M and the rectangle boxes, as you can see on the screen. Now we're on to the calendar side. So I usually do my calendar on 2 pages. I usually just do a really simple one, drawing my themes, the M for March, and then putting all the dates in these rectangle or squared boxes. Boxes are usually 5x5 dot grid. So as you can see, I'm drawing in the M and the rectangle small boxes similar to the front page or the title page, and then I'm gonna write in the weekdays, so Monday to Sunday. I usually start my weeks on Mondays and then end on Sunday, and then that's a new week on Monday. So the pen that I'm using to write out the weekdays is a Copic multi-liner in black. The point is 0.3 and then it's a pigment, ink, water, and Copic proof pen. The next pen I'm using to write in the lines is the Uniball Signal DX 0.3. I'm going to draw the lines using a ruler, using the same pen as I said earlier, and then drawing. I drew rectangle boxes to match the theme, and then I'm using black and white washi, a grid washi, and then put it on the right hand side. So now on to the weekly spread. So it's March 2nd to March 8th. Again, I'm using the Uniball Signal DX 0.38 pen. Using this pen, I'll be writing in the March 2nd to 8th and then drawing some little stars to add some decoration into the spread. So now I'm using a ruler to draw in my task box where I put my daily tasks that I need to do from Monday to Sunday. So I'm using another pen, back to the thicker 0.3 pen, to write in the weekdays, so Monday to Sunday. Then I'm going to use my brush pen in gray and to draw a drop shadow for the box, and then I'm going to use an eraser to erase the stuff that I sketched. And then back to the Uniball Signal DX pen, and I'm drawing in the lines for the weekdays. So that side is for writing my dailies, I guess, or how I'm journaling. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna write on that side yet, but I'll see throughout the week and just fill it in. And now I'm filling in the task I'm gonna be doing for those days. So like on Tuesdays I gotta take out the trash for the next day, and then Wednesday I got the trash day, and then I gotta do some stuff on that day also. And then Thursday is payday, so I gotta transfer all the credit cards and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna just continue to write all my tasks for that week. I'm gonna add a washi at the top right hand corner, and then that's my spread for this week. Thanks for watching. Bye!